Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Johanna. Happy birthday to you.
Only 71 candles to blow out, you know, you better take a deep breath.
To eat?
Wait. No, smile. Just smile. Look at them.
Wow.
Hey, girl.
It's like the paparazzi. Yeah.
Yeah. Your
this,
fans need
Okay, now.
What is this, a news conference?
Now you can blow them out now.
Okay. That's right.
Without spitting.
No spit.
Yeah, right.
Oh, wow.
A little more.
Almost.
Yay!
You
Passing out for no
didn't blow the cake away.
I know. It took all my energy.